Okay, the second part is the next session, organizing the statistical survey. Statistical survey or inquiry. Right? We can be organized different type of surveys, but here my main concern is to how we are going to organize statistical survey, not the other type of survey. Right? Because we are working on the statistics subject. When you are going to conduct another different type of survey, you have to think about the different point of view. Right? Any problem? If you have the problem, please ask it. If not, switch off the mic, Buddha. Did you anyone enroll to the survey? Anytime, not only statistic. Anyone enroll to the survey? Either with something grammar sevaka. Sometimes you are enrolled already. Not did the name call survey, some inquiry, data collection way. Any household studies? You go to the household by household with the form and go and collect some information. Do you have experienced that? At least one student. That the surveyors is the way of collecting information. Statistical survey, we mean a search for the collection of facts of a given problem. Then if you have the problem, then the relevant informations are not available. Sometimes you have to go for the experimental study or empirical study, like a survey type. In the empirical study, experimental study, you are go that, and then you are something develop or producing and the testing, right? And finally you are gather also some data. When you are going to the empirical study, you are going to develop some forms or the questionnaire or the other method. You have to use the collect information through the survey. Sometimes it may be include one parties or several parties, something connecting different countries, like online or physically or whatever the mean. Through the survey, we are collecting or searching facts which need to solve our problem. That collecting facts through the survey, we are called as the raw material to the study or the primary information to the study. Then further we can define the survey as the element collection of information by any agency to tackle a particular problem under the study. It's termed survey or inquiry. Don't think about more. We have the problem. To reach the problem, when we have the problem, to reach the problem, we are required to find the information. To find the information, we fill the gap using survey. We are not going to every time, if we have the problem, not going to do the every time survey. In some study, we are going to conduct survey-wise, others are something experimental. Even though you are doing experimental study or the empirical study, you need a sort of statistical knowledge to finalize or validate your problem, or finally find the conclusions to your problem. Right? That is the thing. Then how you plan or design of the survey. The first thing is main important, well to our plan is the important element of the survey. Okay? The first, we have the problem. According to problem, we have to identify what is the object or aim of the study. And according to aim, we are developing some forms to collect the information. Then to collect the information, before that we have to decide what is our population, who are coming into the sample. Then how we select sample from the population via applied sampling technique. Then from the sample, how we collect the data, there are way of getting the different type of data collection method. In the any inquiry, first you decide the object, then define the population, define the sample, select the sample by applying the suitable sampling technique, then collect the data based on sample by applying proper data collection method. Right? That is the first step. Also, well-planned surveys examine the primary requirement of any given study.